From your home screen, you will use the directional pad or the D-pad in the bottom left-hand corner to navigate Rocket League. The circle on the left will be used as the letter A to select and launch the game. From here, we will have to wait until the game moves to the main screen. Once you have made it to the home screen, you can select any button to continue. The game will automatically highlight the word play, and you will select A or the left circle to launch the different playing fields. From here, you will use the D-pad and scroll over to Custom Games, which is in the bottom right-hand corner, and select the letter A. You will then use the D-pad once again to scroll over to Private Match all the way to the right and select A. And then you will create your own match by selecting A once again. This screen offers a variety of different settings that you can change. Use the D-pad to go all the way to the top where it says Game Mode. You have the option to do hoops, which is basketball or soccer. Today we'll do soccer. And you also have the option to change the arenas. And then you can adjust your team size to where if it's 1 versus 1 player, 2 versus 2, 3 and 4. Today we'll do 1 versus 1. And then you can scroll down all the way to the joinable by. We will do name and password. And then we will select mutator settings. From here, you will scroll to the top to where it says match length. You can change the time from 5, 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. However, we will choose 10 minutes. And then select the right circle, which is B for back. You will use the D-pad to go down to create match, and then select A to change the name. And then in the name box, you will enter your first name. But for example, we are going to enter in Peyton. And then we are going to enter in the number 1 for week 1. And then you will hit the arrow down in the bottom right-hand corner and then scroll down to password. And the password that you will enter in is Fun 2022. However, if there is something already in the box, you can use the backspace arrow to clear that out and enter in the password FUN 2022. And then once you've entered in that, hit the bottom right arrow